Assigning the server to the location and the appropriate position in the rack allows you to keep track of actual placement of your devices in the data center. In order to assign a server to a location, select Edit from the Actions menu located in the Summary view of the server. The Edit form contains several tabs. In this case, you have to access the Location and Client settings. In the Location field, select the appropriate location for the server. Next, enter the Rack and Position tab to determine the assignment and position in the rack. The Rack field displays the list of rack cabinets from the previously selected location. The Device Size Units determines the size of the server that will be occupied in the rack. In the In Rack Size field, specify the orientation of the server in the rack. The last element is the selection of the position in the rack. Please note that servers of the size larger than 1 are assigned to the next positions in the rack from top to bottom. After saving the changes, you can move from the Server Summary view to the Rack Cabinet view. To do so, click on the previously set position in the Device Details box. Your device will be automatically highlighted so that it can be easily located.